Looking for a replacement stylus that can keep up with every DJ style? Whether you're spinning, scratching, or mixing, this professional stylus for the CC1 promises unmatched versatility and performance. Imagine a stylus designed to deliver consistent quality and superior sound fidelity no matter how intense your set gets. What sets this stylus apart is its high output capability paired with precise tracking, ideal for scratch enthusiasts who need reliability on the turntables. Its sleek, slim-line design isn't just about looks, it's built tough and easy to handle, making those quick transitions and intricate moves feel natural. Plus, the precision-engineered circular diamond tip ensures you hear every detail across the full frequency range from 20 to 20,000 Hz, capturing every nuance of your music. The specs back it up. A 6 mV output, 28 dB channel separation, and a tracking force of 3 grams make this stylus a powerhouse for high versatility and skip resistance. At just 18 grams, it balances perfectly on your cartridge, while the recommended 47 ohms load ensures optimal performance. DJs across the U.S. praise its fast delivery and how well it performs in garage setups, perfect for scratching on loop beats or cutting tracks simultaneously. If you're serious about your craft, this stylus isn't just an accessory, it's what changes your setup from good to great. It handles the demands of scratch-heavy routines and spinning with equal ease, delivering a robust, reliable sound that keeps your crowd moving. Worth a look if you want a dependable, high-fidelity stylus that won't let you down when it counts. Ready to upgrade your DJ gear with a stylus that's built for all styles and guaranteed to deliver crisp, clear sound? Try this professional replacement stylus for the CC1 when you're ready to experience the difference in your mixes and scratches. Your turntables, and your audience, will thank you.